Welcome. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to speed up your voice recordings in Adobe Premiere Pro without changing the pitch. Whether you're tightening up your edits or creating dynamic content, this simple technique will keep your audio sounding natural and clear. Let's dive in. It will mean the world if you like and subscribe. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import your audio clip. Drag the clip onto your timeline. I've already done this, as you can see. This is a test on how to speed up voice and maintain pitching. Next, right-click on the audio clip and select Speed Duration from the menu. In the Speed Duration dialog box, increase the speed percentage to your desired rate. For example, setting it to 130% will make your audio play 30% faster.
This is a test on how to speed up voice and maintain pitching.
When it has the desired speed, we can go to next step. As you might hear, it doesn't sound that great anymore. We need to go to Effects and add Teach Shifter to the audio. When added, navigate to individual parameters and then transpose ratio. And now just play around with the transpose ratio until you have desired outcome. This is a test on how to speed up voice and maintain pitching. And that's it. You've successfully sped up your voice recording while preserving the pitch using Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.